Pixel pitch sounds technical, but the idea is simple. It's the distance between pixels on an LED display. Smaller pitch means the pixels are packed closer together, so the image looks smoother up close. Larger pitch means the pixels are further apart, which can still look great when viewers are further away. The easiest way to think about pixel pitch is this. It's about the viewing distance, not the bragging rights. The closer people are to the sign, the more pitch matters. The further away they are, the more pixels blend together. Outdoor signs are usually a distance and speed problem. Drivers need quick readability, not photorealism at 20 feet. Indoor displays are different because viewers are closer, standing still longer, and more likely to notice detail. If your viewers are close, like in a lobby or showroom, a tighter pitch usually pays off. If your viewers are further away, like across a parking lot or on the road, a larger pitch can still look excellent at the right distance. The smartest way to choose pixel pitch is to think about where people will be when they see the sign. Buy for the real viewing distance, keep the message clear, and do not overpay for resolution people will never notice.